Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Jimmy John's Sandwiches app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Jimmy John's is a sandwich ordering app designed to make it easy for users to customize and order fresh sandwiches for pickup or delivery. The app features a quick ordering system, favorite saving, and real-time order tracking so you can see when your sandwich is being made and delivered. It's available on both iOS and Android, allowing customers to skip the line and enjoy fast service at any nearby Jimmy John's location. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate the app's speed, simple layout, and accurate order tracking. The Favorites option and Rewards program are especially convenient for regular customers who love fast reordering and occasional perks. However, there are a few downsides. Some users have reported occasional login issues, delayed delivery updates, or payment errors. Additionally, delivery coverage may be limited depending on your location. In summary, the Jimmy John's app may be worth using if you enjoy their sandwiches and want to save time by ordering ahead or earning rewards for frequent purchases. However, if you prefer in-person ordering or live outside delivery areas, it might not add much value. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.